Oh my gosh, it autofocused. Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. No, that's not a good intro. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is gonna be a beauty page slash maybe vlogging if my life gets interesting. Okay, so this is going to be kind of my summer go-to look. So it's more of a glowy coral, warm tone, lots of highlight, not that much coverage look. If you guys are all about it, keep on watching. If not, still keep watching because I need the views. Thank you. So we'll jump right into the video. Enjoy. That's so awkward. I'm gonna start in with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I don't know how YouTubers do this. Oh my god, that's so sick. It's really hydrating for the face. I'm gonna go start with that. Oh, that feels really nice. Okay, so once that's done, I'm actually gonna move to brows. Okay, so I'm gonna be using Gimme Brow, which is just this little guy over here, kind of a brow gel, tinted brow gel in the shade number 5. And then I will also be pairing this up with the Brow, which is kind of like a pomade, but it's more powdery, so I find it like more forgiving on my eyebrows. So this is the brush I'm using, so it's dual-ended like that, and then has a spoolie right over here. Okay, see, this is an example of when you mess it up. I don't know if you guys can see, but I went a little bit too high over here. So what I'm gonna do is I literally just use my finger and I like kind of, there we go. That's kind of my 2 eyebrows just done real quick. I still have the primer on. I like putting on primer and doing my brows after because I find it kind of sets in. And I'm gonna go in with Gimme Brow over here, which is my favorite product for brows. You can wear it on its own, you can wear it with any other product. So we're just gonna apply that on top of my brows. It's also gonna hold them in all day, which is awesome. No, I mean, it doesn't do that much difference because I use Brows. And there we go, that's the brows done. So now I'm actually gonna go into my eyes, so if ever we have fallout, it doesn't go on a foundation. Today I'm gonna be kind of featuring the Soft Glam palette. It's kind of my everyday palette. And then I'm gonna use this like weird brush from MAC. It's like dual-ended. I'm gonna use my MAC paint. I like this like primer just because it has coverage to it, which if you can see, my eyelids are quite red, so this is just kind of gonna come and cover. There we go. So I kind of just put it all over my lid, a little bit on the tear duct, and then I kind of pat it down just to set it. Now the second one, so just kind of packing the product on, and then I kind of go like right under my brow, so it also cuts the brow a little bit more than what it was at. And then I blend the product down, and if you can see, the product right now is kind of just like annoying me, like just sitting on top of my lid. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of again tap it down, and that all that's gonna do is I find that it kind of sets the product. We're gonna move on to eye makeup. So I'm gonna use this kind of fluffy brush. It looks like this. It's really just a fluffy brush. I don't even know the BS small. I don't even know. It's from like Amazon. I got it for like in a $5 set like last year, and ends up being like my favorite blending brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Orange Soda, which is right over here. Tap that in, tap out the excess, and we're just gonna go in kind of starting over here in very light strokes and kind of bring it in, holding my brush far away. Dispersing the product. So this is what it looks like. It's not supposed to look cute yet. Give it time. So this is just a base, kind of just a transition shade. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a MAC brush. This is the MAC 217S. It's a little guy like this. You can see I've already used like dark brown on it. So we're gonna be using Burnt Orange, which is right under. It's just a tad bit darker because I am going for more of a natural everyday look, so you guys can kind of relate to me. We're gonna go in with Burnt Orange. Always dab off the excess just because you can always add more, but it's kind of hard to take off some. In future videos I'll show you, if ever you guys do a little quick mistake, how to fix it up real quick. So what I'm gonna do is kind of focus this on the outer corners, bringing it in just a bit. You guys can see. It's always good also to look down with this, so it's kind of good that I have my mirror because you really see where the crease is, which for me is like right over here. So I'm just gonna keep that up and kind of build up that orange shade. Also, like, guys, let me know what you guys want to see because I'm completely new to this. I'm kind of just gonna be doing my own thing for like the next few videos, just because I will pre-film about like 3-4 videos, so I never like kind of miss a day. That wasn't cute. I thought I was gonna sneeze. So then I'm actually gonna go back in with Painterly. That's what I use kind of to do a cut crease, and then you'll be able to see the crease and really shape your crease to how you like it and everything. It probably looks like trash right now, but I swear to God it'll look better in a second. Again, from that same set from Amazon, this like weird brush. It's a flat brush. I've been using it for like a year now. I'm gonna go in with the shade Berry, which is kind of a, I don't know, it's kind of a gold, but more on the yellow side of gold. Girl, like that's freaking shimmery. I don't know if you guys can see this properly, probably gonna not, but like, okay, I'm living. Also, no, I didn't like show the brush because you guys already know it's a $5 Amazon set, but I'm just gonna kind of blend in the edges of this with that color that we use at the start, which is called Orange Soda. So again, just kind of blending in the look. Also, please don't diss me on my foundation choices. Sometimes I like don't have the right shade for me, and that's just because I can't find it. I just suck at picking out my shades, honestly. It's nothing personal to anyone. It's just, I'm not good at it. I'm not good. So what I'm going to use that I find is like probably the best coverage I've ever had in a freaking concealer is the All Nighter Concealer. If I can get it here. I'm in the color Fair Neutral. I do find that their color range is kind of weird. Sometimes you have to mix 2 colors to actually find your shade. Oh, I look so cute. Also with this coverage, you want to go pretty fast because it does dry down. There we go. So you guys can kind of see that it really covers here, and then just my forehead. I'm going to get real close and personal. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna go with an all-time favorite of mine, which is my Born This Way foundation. So right over here, just this little guy. And then for me, I'm in shade Snail. And I'm just gonna go in with my number 56 brush from Sephora. And then I'm just gonna kind of start blending out, focusing it more on the center, kind of going with dabbing motions, because since I'm dehydrated, I get pretty flaky throughout the day. Thank God this foundation has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's really going to hydrate my face at the same time. And we're pretty much done with foundation. I'm gonna whip out my, I think this is a Walmart brand. Eco, is it Walmart brand? I'm not sure. Anyway, so just quick like wipes. I got them like at a value size because I use them so often. So whatever's left, I just kind of wipe it off and set it aside. Right on my desk, you guys can't see it, but it's really messy. I'm actually gonna go in with the CC cream from It. Sorry, I'm holding it weird. The CC cream from It. CC cream, sorry, it's their powder. And this serves as my setting powder just because I like a little more coverage, and it does have SPF 50 in it, so protect your skin, girl, protect your skin. So I'm just gonna use, again, a brush I got at Winners. I love Winners, they have like a bunch of weird shit. So it's kind of like a unicorn brush. It's just a really fluffy brush, honestly. Just kind of got it for the aesthetic of it, but I'm just kind of buffing that all over my face just to set it. It can work as foundation on its own, but for girls who like just a little bit more coverage in their powder specifically, this one is great for that. I need it especially on my nose because I do get oily. So this is my contour palette. You can probably see it looks pretty bad. It's because I've been using it for so long, and I'll show you guys the pan. It's kind of gross. So you can clearly see which colors I use the most. Today I'm going to be using the middle shade because this one is like so out of it. This one is going to be my nose contour, but this is kind of my all-around contour. I won't really be touching these guys or this guy. So this one, don't know the brand either. I got it like a few years back when I started makeup. I don't know, it's just an angled powder brush. And I'm gonna go into that middle shade from the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D, and I kind of want to go in here. I'm gonna like place myself so you guys can see it well. Kind of from here to almost the corner of my mouth, but a little more up, if that makes sense. So I kind of blended it, and also contour isn't like a one size fits all. So it's really going to change depending on your face shape and everything. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna just do the other face, same type of deal. I actually, weirdly, I start on my forehead here instead of my cheeks, which is kind of weird because I do the opposite on the other side. Yeah, I'm just looking at myself in the mirror because I want to be sure that my contour looks good. It's like one of my favorite parts of makeup. It just kind of warms up my face, makes it all pretty and come together. I think that looks okay. What do you guys think? So now I'm gonna go with also a product I've hit pan on probably like 3 times, and I've rebought and rebought and rebought. It's the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I'm using just a regular one. I know there's one that's like dark chocolate. This is just a chocolate soleil. And you want to kind of go like in a 3. That's where I go like on my chin with the bronzer. So I just go like this and like that. And I kind of just dust it off. Ooh, I just got some in my mouth and that tastes like chocolate. I'm using the new Fenty Beauty Kilowatt foils. Focus, okay. And I'm actually gonna, I have the shade Sandcastle in Minted Mojito. So I'm actually gonna take Sandcastle today as a highlight because the Minted Mojito is kind of a blue shade. And I'm also going to be using my favorite all-time highlight brush, and this is the Pro Highlight number 93, I believe. It's just a little sensor like this. I know Morphe has a lot of these brushes that you guys can buy for a lot cheaper than these guys. Okay, and then I like to start by the center of my face. And then you guys can see it's just my Cupid's bow. I like doing my nose a little bit. Now for the cheeks, I always use primer water from Smashbox. I don't know why, I use it all the time. So I'm gonna spray my brush with this, and then I'm gonna dip it back in, and then I'm gonna go in just on the side. Be ready to get blinded. And I do this before my blush so it doesn't look too harsh. And then I blend it out using a powder brush from Winners. Also, like, I don't know if in the States you guys have Winners. I think it's like Marshall's. So I'm going to use a tiny brush just like that. And I will be dipping it, oh, stop focusing on my face. I will be dipping it into the shade Sandcastle. And I'm just popping this in the inner corners of my eye. And then I'm also going to pop it right under my brow bone. Perfect. And then same deal right over here. I'm gonna go in with blush, which I'm going in with the Patrick Star collection. This is like the one that he came out with for spring. And this is the I'm Not Blushin'. I don't know if this one is the Miso Chic or Miso Fleek blush, but it's the one that has more of a coral tone and more of a bronzy tone. I'm actually gonna go in with the more coral tone. And then I'm just gonna put them on over here. Kind of go in figure eights. Gonna go over here doing figure eights to finish it up and bringing it up under my brow bone. So I'm gonna actually go in with lips first, which is again from the Patrick Star collection. I'm gonna be using these 2 little guys over here. So we're gonna be using Mama Star, which is the gloss, and then Sweet Mama Star, which is the lipstick. I'm actually not gonna line my lips because I want a really soft look today, not really snatch lips. But you know, it's really as it happens. I did do some mistakes, so I'm just gonna fix it with my nail because I don't care. So that's just the lipstick on its own, and now we're gonna go in with the gloss to add it a little extra shine. I'm not usually a fan of gloss, honestly. I don't like getting a mouthful of my hair when there's wind, but in this case, this gloss looks way too pretty to put on, so I'm living with it. I love it. Now I'm gonna go in with my Better Than Sex mascara. I'm just gonna do one coat upper and lower lash. So if you want to end just that mascara and everything, this would be the final look. But if you like to be a lot extra like I do, you can always add some wispy lashes on, which I'm gonna go in with my Lily Lashes Miami's. I already pre-cut them and everything so they fit for my eyeball. Okay, so I was able just to pop on these lashes. Anyway, so that's gonna be it for my first YouTube video. This feels like a long time coming because I mean, I've been looking at videos on YouTube since I've been like 12, which is like 2 years ago. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on my kind of summer go-to glowy skin look. I really enjoy doing makeup, so I think I'm gonna be here for a great time. I'll try to upload at least once a week on Fridays. If not, it might go off to 2 times a week depending on time. If ever you guys enjoy this tutorial and want to learn more and kind of come along with my journey, you can always subscribe and kind of push the bell notification on, because I know you guys won't get notification if you don't do that. It would also mean a lot if you guys comment something nice or something you might want to see in the near future. And also shout out to whoever's watching this, because I probably sent you the link and spammed you for you to watch it, so thanks for watching. I'll put all my links down below to my Instagram. I have an Instagram kind of like for makeup, and then I have my own Instagram, so you guys can totally go check that out. Thank you for watching. It means the world, and I hope I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.